let's talk about why I like the DJI Mavic Mini box. Now, this box here feels like it's actually decent quality. I mean, I'm not so sure about the handle if I like that, but this logo kind of is 3D and it feels like it's got good quality. I'm no expert, but it just feels like it's better quality. And if I open this, you'll see not only can you fit the drone inside and accessories and 3 batteries, maybe 4 if you want to put one in the drone itself, but you can also fit, like I said before, the accessories. So the space under here, you see, so I'm going to put my power bank in here very quickly because I got a bag which might, there we go, right, put that there, and so the bag won't fly away. And if I cover this now, you can see I put my power bank underneath the batteries and there's still space to close it. So this is what's good about this, and it's the same for the controller. There's space under here. I can put cables here and spare bits and pieces if you want. So this is a nice case because you can fit multiple things in here, and it's also, I wouldn't say it's hard, I mean it kind of is a hard case. I mean, it is flexible to some extent, but it feels like it could probably stop some impacts. It's quite a nice case, so that's why I like it.